So here we see our question is draw the structure of ATP. So let's see what is ATP. ATP is nothing but nucleotide. This ATP nothing but nucleotide. And what are nucleotides? Nucleotides are building block. What? Building block of nucleic acid, means DNA and RNA. So ATP is a nucleotide, and nucleotides are nothing but building block of nucleic acid, means it forms the DNA and RNA. So in its name it suggests the adenosine and triphosphate. So this triphosphate means three phosphate are here, and adenosine means the purine group adenine. These two molecules or components are attached with the ribose sugar molecule. So a nucleotides, it hints us the what make the nucleotides. So nucleotides are generally made up of three major components. One is sugar molecule, second is nitrogenous base, and third is obviously phosphate group. So this sugar is ribose and deoxyribose. Ribose for RNA structure, deoxyribose for DNA. Nitrogenous bases are also categorized into two groups: purine, pyrimidine, and phosphate is phosphate. Purine, in this purine group we say the adenine, guanine. Pyrimidine group consists of cytosine, thiamine, and uracil. So here we see the structure of ATP. So ATP contain the ribose sugar. So what is the structure of ribose sugar? If we see, the structure is not so good but not so bad. These positions suggest there are carbon molecules are present. This is C1, this is C2, C3, C4 and C5. So for nucleotides, this ribose sugar present in beta formation. What formation? Beta formation. Ribose sugars are present, means the hydroxyl group present here and the hydrogen is present here. And another major difference between the ribose and deoxyribose, or only structural difference, is that ribose sugar contain hydroxyl group in carbon 2 position, but deoxyribose doesn't contain any hydroxyl group in carbon 2 position, means for deoxyribose there is a H, there is a H, no H is present, but for ribose sugar the hydrogen is present here and hydroxyl group for OH is present here. C3 is this, here the H, and C5 is made up of CH2OH. So in this carbon 1 OH position the adenine group is bind, and in this CH2OH the triphosphate, means 3 phosphate group, PO3 3 minus, the 3 phosphate group is binding. So what is the final structure? So before making the final structure, also here see the adenine structure. What is the adenine structure? Adenine is nothing but a 2-ring structure. So let's see the 2-ring here. Here the numbering is begin from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In this 9 position for purine, every purine, means for adenine and guanine, the the nitrogen 9 in this position, this nitrogen 9, this 9 position is bind here. And for pyrimidine is numbering is different, but in this position the for pyrimidine's group are bind here. So let's see the final structure. So ribose sugar. So here the OH group is binding, so I first draw this, then here two. It's not so good, but you understand what I mean here. And HOH here, HOH here, the HCH2 here, the PO4, 3 phosphate groups are binding, so O, P double bond O, OH is exposed, P double bond O, OH is exposed, O, P double bond O, OH, OH. So it contains the ribose sugar molecule at 9 group and 3 phosphate group. So it make the ATP structure. Thank you for watching.